ladies and gentlemen. Today is a great day for history of China and Hong Kong. I am glad to announce this remarkable project which link between Hong Kong, Zhuhai and Macau. Thank you guys for being here. Today the reason I call you guys for a special reason. Here is one sample of a bridge. Based on this we will create newly designed bridge. After analyzing external and internal factors, we come up with a solution to make 55 km Hong Kong, Zhuhai and Macau bridge. And we create a project scope which will investigate Hong Kong and Singapore bridge, and we will create our Hong Kong, Zhuhai and Macau bridge. We will create a long-term connection between Zhuhai and Macau. Also, we'll build a conceptual long-lasting design which would be 120 years. And the deliverable is connection between three nations in one platform and reduce the travel time. Milestone is we start the construction at 15 December 2009 and we expect to finish 2016. The technical requirements we need for a large spans like 40.55 millimeter and tunnel place. We also have to observe the tunnel condition and create a defensive wall. And we have to mixing the deep sea level with the pile and soil investigation. Also, we have to consider about the strong chloride ion condition in sea water level and high water pressure accidental loads, internal force and construction. According to the activity on note shows that we expected that our work will be finished within 7 years and it is 2,555 days. Everything is clear, guys? Now, okay, that's our project.
It is Hong Kong Zuhai Macau Bridge wall breakdown structure. In our project, there are different type of works which has planned, such as preparatory work, drainage work, land work, asphalt pavement. And the main type of work is structural work, which is included three types of structures: lower structure, upper structure, bridges, accessories. The tunnel is included big plan which we are going to do, such as excavation and initial support of crown, excavation and initial support of bench, reinforced concrete, invert, etc. Also, the structural design artificial island is developed integrally and interactively. In the following sections, the design is described in the two main directions, the transverse and the longitudinal direction.
Project budget was $15 billion and the money was loaded from Hong Kong Bank. Budget was distributed into 5 main categories. First one is design of project, $3 billion. This category was also divided into two parts by $1.5 billion. First for the bridge itself and next one for the main island. Next category was supply 50% of total budget, which is $7.5 billion. Third was for construction, $3.75 billion for both bridge and main islands. Fourth was for documents, for the beginning and for closing parts, $0.15 billion. Last category was for periodicity 4%, which is $0.6 billion.
If we focusing on the low cost, the bridge could be completed with poor quality, and also the project might not be finished on time. On the other, if we pay high cost, the quality of project will be increased and the project must be finished on time. In our management process, we have 4 steps. First, we have to identify sources of risk. For example, risk of money flow and the quality of the bridge. Second, we have to assess the risk, such as is it controllability to us to fix the financings, this kind of thing. Third, we have to respond risk development. If we check what is the problem for our project and the possibility of fixing risk, then we try to find how to reduce the problem. Last factor is the responding control about the risk. So we try to prevent the coming risk.
Thank you guys for being here. The reason I call you guys, yesterday I visited our site and I testified some bricks and I found some falsified. And this falsified information comes from our engineer. And as you know guys, our bridge life cycle is 120 years. How he thought that this using this brick and this bridge gonna be long lasting of 120 years? And this all the false information comes from him. I want to fire him. Police! Just get lost from here.
After years of delay and budget overruns, the multi-billion-dollar Hong Kong Zuhai Macau Bridge is now one step away from operation. An opening ceremony will be held next Tuesday, although it's not known if the link will open to the public on the same day.